Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I love wearing my sneakers, but I like to designate some specifically for my workouts. Having an extra pair like these beautiful, comfortable ones from vibdiv is great for all around walking, running errands, and just hopping in and out of the car by putting these on. The sneakers from the get-go, when you get them in the packaging, are super light and comfortable. I can hold both of them in one hand and they feel like they're still weightless. When you put them on, it feels like you're putting socks on. The fabric up top is super soft and comfortable, and it's also breathable, so you don't feel like your feet are going to be overheated if you're wearing them. I opted for the dark gray color, which I really like. It has some pattern and texture, and the bottom has good traction for different surfaces. Being able to have a pair of shoes that you can quickly throw on and then take off at the end of the day really makes it so comfy and easy. They're like wearing socks, they're comfortable and light, but yet you get some cushion in the heel. If you are looking for an ultra-light pair of sneakers that are quick and easy to put on anytime you need them, then you need to go with these. They work out perfectly, and that's my point of view.